The OTC, the king of WWE, the world heavyweight champion, Roman Reigns is here on Monday Night Raw. And tonight, Roman Reigns will go face to face with his next challenger, LA Knight. But what will be the aftermath? The OTC is here on Monday Night Raw, making his epic entrance. Acknowledge the king of WWE. Here comes the mega star in the town. LA Knight. After SummerSlam, the mega star challenged Roman Reigns for World Heavyweight Championship match. Will LA Knight become a big threat for Roman Reigns, just like Seth freaking Rollins? We will find out. Oh, here comes Solo Sikoa. Solo Dolo Sikoa is here to attack Roman Reigns' bloodline. Solo Sikoa and LA Knight attacks the Usos. But where is Roman Reigns now? Here comes the Samoan Werewolf. Jacob Fatu, the enforcer of the bloodline of Roman Reigns. Look at Fatu, very angry. Here comes Jacob Fatu to destroy everyone. And now Jacob overpowers Knight and Solo both. Super kick. He throws LA Knight with a backdrop. And now a hip attack. Jacob is not stopping here. Another hip attack, this time to the mega star LA Knight. Samoan Werewolf is unstoppable. Here comes the force that can stop Jacob Fatu. Roy Esquis bangs Jimmy Uso into the barricade. And now he's going after Jay. Right hand takes out Jey Uso. Super kick, no effect. Clothesline by Powerhouse Hobbs. Roy Esquis with full impact and total destruction here on Monday Night Raw. Do subscribe to Wrestling Justice for more incredible wrestling action like this. Now, Roy Esquis versus Jacob Fatu. One-on-one brawl has begun. Both monsters with the right hands destroying each other. Roy Esquis seems to be more powerful. Oh, he took out Jacob Fatu with a thunderous clothesline, but Fatu with no effect. Tongan death grip locked into Roy Esquis. Oh, Fatu with a big boot. Samoan spike. And now, spine buster by Roy Esquis. The megastar, PFT. They all three took out Jacob Fatu with a numbers game as the Usos were down already. Roy Esquis, LA Knight and Solo Sikoa become a big threat for Roman Reigns' bloodline, and now Roy Esquis versus Jacob Fatu. Singles action, street fight. Oh, suplex by Roy Esquis to Jacob Fatu on the chairs. Cover by Royce. Kick out by Fatu. Jacob Fatu is still kicked out. And now Roy Esquis has to find a way to slay the Samoan Werewolf, to put down Jacob Fatu. And now Fatu fighting back. Flatliner to Roy Esquis. Cover. Keys kicks out. Two powerhouses Unstoppable force versus an immovable object. Oh! Mighty moonsault by Jacob Fatu. The Samoan werewolf is unstoppable. Oh God! Tongan death grip. Locked in on Roy Eskies. Roy Eskies has no control in this situation. Roy Eskies is not tapping out. He's fighting back. Oh God, no. Roy Eskies passed out and lost the match, and after the match, Jacob Fatu destroying Roy Eskies. Yeah, Rami, and now LA Knight is here to destroy Jacob Fatu. Will the Megastar defeat the Werewolf? Oh no, Werewolf showing his toughness. And he throws LA Knight into the steel post, and now superplex. Fatu is screaming with pain. And here comes Big Jim to help Jacob Fatu in this match and to distract the referee.
Jimmy!
Look at Jacob and Knight. But from behind, Solo Dolo Sikoa is here to help the Megastar, his new friend. And now Solo Dolo, took out by the Samoan werewolf. Just look at the replay of how moments ago Solo Sikoa came and took out Jimmy, but Jacob Fatu has some other plans. He took out both Solo and Jimmy with a suicide dive. And now Jacob Fatu going back inside the ring for more action with LA Knight. And Knight destroying Fatu with the right hands. Do subscribe to Wrestling Justice for more incredible wrestling action like this. And now both men going back and forth with some reversals. So countered into a BFT covered by the Megastar, but Jimmy Uso distracting. Referee had to count to 3. The match would have ended. Here comes the powerhouse hops. Roy Eskies. Bang, smashing. Big Jim throws him over the table. And here comes Jey Uso. He took out Roy Eskies with the super kicks. And now the Megastar takes out Jey Uso. And inside the ring, a super kick. Mighty Samoan drop. Super Samoan drop by Jacob. And a mighty moonsault by Mighty Fatu. Cover. Jacob Fatu defeated LA Knight with the help of the Bloodline, and now Solo Sikoa attacks him. But Jimmy from behind hits a super kick to Solo. Another super kick. And Jey with a spear. The Bloodline is dominating. Here comes Roy Eskies. The powerhouse took out both the Usos. But look behind. And now Roy Eskies fighting with Jacob Fatu, his old friend. Now a big enemy, Spine Buster. What a freak Roy Eskies is. Double super kick. 1D. What a war. And now LA Knight. Again the numbers game. Tongan death grip applied. Knight is also got slayed by the Bloodline, and now Big Jim versus Austin Theory. It's time for Bloodline versus the Vision. Big Jim with some chops, and now Theory fighting back. Theory with the knee strikes to the gut of Big Jim, a big boot. And now Jimmy Uso takes out Austin Theory with a flying forearm strike. And now, oh, he missed. But Theory does not. Theory with a spinning forearm. Austin Theory in seconds turned the momentum of the match towards him. And now destroying Big Jim with the punches. Incredible action. Do subscribe to Wrestling Justice for more. As Austin Theory looks in total control in this match. He's arguing with the referee too. The attitude of Austin Theory when he joined the Vision. Right hand by Big Jim. And suicide dive. Takes out Austin Theory at ringside. And now smashing him. Bang! This time into the steel post. Fans are going crazy for Big Jim. Everybody is vibing. Who do you think is the better Uso between Jimmy and Jay? Comment down below. And now Big Jim clearing the table. Super kick. Big Jim sets Austin Theory on the announcer's table. And now what will happen? Big Jim going to the top rope. Jimmy Uso is looking to destroy Austin Theory. Here comes Logan Paul. And Jimmy takes out Paul with a dive inside the ring. And now the numbers game. No. The match ended with a DQ as the Vision started attacking Jimmy Uso. No way. The Vision is looking to destroy Jimmy, but here comes Jey Uso. From where Jay will come, the Vision is waiting for him. Let's go. The fans are vibing. Oh, Jey Uso is coming. And from behind Jey Uso with a crutch. And Jimmy with one also. The Usos with the crutches. Takes out the Vision. What a moment. And now, landed by the Usos. What a moment. And here comes one new match. Penta versus Dirty Dominic Mysterio. Super kick by Penta. Won by Dirty Dom. Penta escapes. Hurricane Rana took out Dirty Dom. Dominic Mysterio went outside. And now Penta, oh, it's a super kick. And this time he went outside. Bang! A kick to the face of Dirty Dom, who thought he's faster than Penta. He's better than Penta, but actually he's not. He can never be. Incredible move by Penta. Takes out Dominic Mysterio at ringside. Who do you think is the number one luchador right now in this world? Comment down below. A shot by Penta to Dirty Dominic Mysterio. And now Penta looks to go crazy in this match. Chop. Penta is giving some pain to Dirty Dominic Dominic Mysterio hurt so much wrestlers in the past. He cheated on Rhea Ripley for Liv Morgan. And now, again, super kick. This time Dominic is down. Penta telling everyone, now I'm gonna end this story once and for all. Penta giving warning to Judgment Day members, telling them, I'm gonna dog walk. Dominic says, oh! Dominic counters. And now Dirty Dom with the right hands to Penta. Kick out by Penta. Do subscribe to Wrestling Justice for more incredible wrestling action like this. And now Dominic giving warning to Penta with a shoulder thrust. Chop. Dominic enjoying every bit of it. Another chop to Penta. And now kicks to the midsection. This is stopping him. And Dominic is Dominic. Dirty Dominic doing his dirty works, using dirty tactics. That's Penta. Between the ring and now. Senton. Again. Repeats the same move. Cover. Kick out by Pentagon JR. Dominic is continuously punishing Penta. Oh, this time he misses, but Penta got some momentum. Kick. Bang. Flatliner by Penta. And now a kick to the back of the neck. Kick out by Dirty Dominic. And now Penta. Super kick missed. Oh! Covered by Dirty Dom. Kick out again. Right hand. This time the forearm strikes from Penta. And now Dirty Dom. Penta with a kick to the face. Another one. Super kick this time. Went outside. Oh! What a blow by Dirty Dom. Dominic took out Penta with an incredible move, proving why he is the son of greatest luchador of all time, Rey Mysterio. He's counting. Oh! Again, Dirty Dom took out Penta at ringside. This time over the porkit. And Penta back inside the ring. Hurricane Rana again. Oh, Enziguri. He paused once, but not again. Bang! Drop kick to the gut. Covered by Penta. Kick out by Dirty Dominic Mysterio. Penta is feeling it, telling fans to keep up the same energy. And now Dominic escapes again. What a reversal by Dirty Dom. Now Penta. Super kick. How many super kicks will we see in this match? Use something else, bro. And this time, backstabber. That was something cool and different. Kick out by Dirty Dominic Mysterio again. Do subscribe to Wrestling Justice for more incredible wrestling action like this. Currently, Penta in control in this match. And now, Penta. Michinako driver by Dirty Dominic Mysterio. Kick out by Penta. They are fighting like crazy. And now, both men thinking what to do to get a victory now. Nobody wants to lose. And this time a 619 coming. Yes. Dirty Dom climbing to the top rope. Splash. This time Penta counters for a sacrifice. Cerro Miedo. Sacrifice by Penta. A very painful move. Penta driver by Penta. Cover. Kick out by Dirty Dominic Mysterio. What a match. What a fight. What a war here on Monday Night Raw. Just wow. How many super kicks, how many signature moves, how many finishers are here now. Penta and Dominic Mysterio putting a banger. And now Penta again started punishing Dirty Dominic Mysterio. The referee trying to keep him away from Dominic for a few seconds. Dominic need to recover from those moves. Oh, in a chop. Penta giving no time to Dirty Dominic Mysterio to recover. Now a running thirst to the mixed section of Dirty Dom. Oh, Dominic this time escaped smartly. And now referee is checking on Penta. Look at Dirty Dominic Mysterio.
That will help him.
Trying to do some cheating. He's trying what they're planning. JD McDonough is giving something to Dirty Dom, but Finn Balor is here to save Penta from Judgment Day's attack. Balor telling no cheating tonight. Oh, Penta takes out them both. Their argument may become the reason of Dominic's loss. Oh, kick to the face by Penta. And now Penta. Penta driver missed. Sorry, that was Mexican destroy time now. 619 missed. Mexican destroyed by Penta. Cover. Penta wins the match. What a banger. And now Rey Mysterio, the king of 619, Buaka, takes out Ethan Page. Oh, Page counters. Bang. Slam. Kick out by Rey Mysterio. And now Mysterio fighting. Bang. Ethan Page. Oh, Hurricane Rana again by Rey Mysterio. Even at 50, he looks better than ever. And now Mysterio punishing Ethan Page with the punches, right hands, rocking him. Eddie Guerrero wipes. Oh, forearm. Again hit took out Ethan Page. And Page caught Rey Mysterio. Bang! Cover. Kick out. And now Page takes out Rey Mysterio with a big boot to the face. What an Hurricane Rana. Page went into the announcer's table. Oh, it's time for 619. Dude, King of 619. Oh, Ethan Page.
That's bullshit!
Using the cloth saves himself. And now smashes Rey Mysterio into the steel post.
Fuck that!
Ethan Page is not stopping here.
Fuck that!
Bang! Uses a brain buster. Cover.
Fucking bullshit!
Ethan Page wins the match, and now Rusev versus Javon Evans, the young OG, taking on the Bulgarian Brute. The young OG survived the camel clutch. And now OG Carter, baby. Do subscribe to Wrestling Justice for more incredible wrestling action like this. Javon Evans wins the match. And now Braun Breaker, the dog. The dogs are barking for the dog. Come on, by Braun. Kick out. Akira Tozawa. And now Braun Breaker, the dog, feeling it. Taking a run up. The human missile erupts. Chaos erupts, a torpedo spear. Oh God, that was vicious.
1, 2,
Braun Breaker and Austin Theory win this tag team match. Subscribe for more incredible wrestling action like this. Braun Breaker destroying. Superman punch by Roman Reigns. The king of WWE. Reigns. Spear. And now Ryan Garcia takes out Joe Hendry with the guitar. And now the Mini Housens also got attacked by Dirty Dominic Mysterio and Shady McDonough. What the hell is happening? Mini Housens trying to fight back, but will they be able to survive? No. Shady McDonough beating them up. Bang. Oh, now Sol Ruka versus Raquel Rodriguez. Women's Championship match. Sol Ruka counters. Oh. Took out Raquel Rodriguez. And now Sol Ruka up top. Soul Snatcher DDT cover. Kick out by Raquel. And now Raquel with a power bomb. Shuhana bomb. She defeated Sol Ruka, and now Judgment Day are here. And they are here to do something bad with Danhausen.
I just have one thing to say, okay?
Liv Morgan is also gonna help.
You are done!
Oh, Danhausen just cursed the Judgment Day, the entire Judgment Day, and they are beating him up. Judgment Day are fed up with Danhausen's curse. Oh, Liv Morgan also putting her hands on Danhausen. Here comes Joe Hendry. Joe Hendry is here to save Danhausen from the Judgment Day. And now, look at Liv Morgan. Fall away slam by Joe Hendry. She took out the bag of Danhausen with her. Do subscribe to Wrestling Justice for more incredible wrestling action like this. And now, Danhausen is here with Io Sky. They're both gonna fly high. And now Danhausen is also helping wrestlers to fight back against the Judgment Day. And Io Sky took out Liv Morgan. Sends her back inside the ring. Io Sky beating the hell out of Liv Morgan, teaching her a good lesson. Everybody's chanting for Io Sky. She took out Liv Morgan with a missile drop kick. Referee telling Io Sky to go outside and fight more. And now Io Sky took out Liv Morgan again. Do subscribe to Wrestling Justice for more incredible wrestling action like this. Thanks for watching.